Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Leafeon from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw a vertical curve line. Draw a curved line from the circle for the chin. Draw a curved horizontal line for eye line. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw nose. Draw a leaf on the head. Draw small leaves on the head. Draw ear like a leaf shape. Draw ear like a leaf shape. Detail the ear. Draw small leaves on the head. Draw ear like a leaf shape. Detail the ear. Draw a circle below head for the ribcage. Draw a circle at the right side of the ribcage for the pelvic structure. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw neck. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw leaf on the body. Draw leaf on the leg. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw tail structure. Draw tail as in leaf shape. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.